Hello, dear creatives. Welcome to class today. I'm so happy to be with you. My name is Adiola from Alluredbyruby, and thank you for joining us. So today I'll be teaching you how to make a fan auto gele. Okay, you can use your normal gele for this auto gele, but I prefer to use ashoke. So here are the materials. You need your ashoke. Okay, so the ashoke comes in it comes in a bundle, and we have 8 of this in a bundle. Okay, I'm going to explain later. You need your shear scissors, you need your measuring tape, your office pins, lots of office pins, velcro, some people prefer to call it plaster. Okay, you need gemstones, different kinds. This is the big one, the medium, and the sand gemstones. And also you'll be needing your tailor's chalk. All right, let's get started. Welcome back, dear creatives. So the first step in making this auto gele, this fan auto gele, is to measure your ashoke. This is 7 inches, and this is how it all comes, like this in the bundle. We have 8 of this in the bundle. So I'm going to go ahead and measure 22 inches. 22 inches is my head circumference. Okay, so 22 inches is my exact head circumference. All right, so how do you get your head circumference? Just put your measuring tape around your head and you get your exact head circumference. So mine is 22 inches. There's no need for you to add any seaming allowance, or you can add half-inch seaming allowance, because by the time you cut your ashoke here, you might want to start falling off. So you need to just fold it inside here. So just leave half-inch for seaming allowance. So that is 22 and half. So I'm going to go ahead and cut 22 and half, and I'm going to be needing 6 of my 22 and half, like this. So I'm going to cut 22 inches and I'll show you what to do next. Welcome back, dear creatives. My name is Adiola once again, and I joined my 3 pieces of ashoke. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, so don't forget I said we need 6, and this is another 3 here that I've already joined. So you go ahead and join 1, 2, and 3. Just join it in the middle like this. So you have 3 of this and 3 of this. Now for my half-inch, I'm going to go ahead and fold this part over like this and just sew across. The reason for this is because your ashoke can just come off easily, and you don't want that to happen. So that is the reason why I left half-inch for seaming allowance. So go ahead and join like this. So I'm going to do this and I'll show you what to do next. Welcome back, dear creative. So I was able to press the side of my ashoke so it does not come off. So now the next thing for you to do is I'm going to fold this place like this. I'm going to fold it like this and use my pin, hold it down. Okay, I'm going to do that till I get to the other edge here. Now this will serve for my front. Okay, this will be the front of my auto gele. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pin it down. And I'm going to sew from here down to the other edge. Welcome back, dear creative. So I sewed it from this edge here to the other edge, down to this part here. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to start pleating my base. Okay, it's very easy to pleat your auto gele base. So just fold it like this and make sure you cover the sewn part. I'm going to fold it this way. Okay, put it under my presser foot like this. If you notice, I'm not sewing it too close to the tip here because the next one has to cover the sewn part. Okay, so whatever it is you do, just make sure you cover the sewn part here. As you can see, I've covered the sewn part. So I'm sewing a little bit far to the folding here. So I'm going to go ahead and sew down. And as you are sewing, make sure you are checking that your base is not bent, or your pleat is not bent rather. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that till I get to the other edge. Always straighten your pleats, okay? So okay, so I'm going to go ahead and also pleat it again and make sure it covers. Now this pleat depends on you. I'm going to pleat this whole part here. So I'm going to go ahead and pleat. Just make sure as you are pleating, you are covering the sewn part here. So go ahead and pleat. I'm going to go ahead and pleat mine, and I'll show you how it looks like when I'm done.